Hello everyone, I am Naneshwari Chidrawar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. To solve linear equations in two variables, there are four methods: elimination method, substitution method, graphical method and determinant method, which is also called as Cramer's rule. In my previous video, I have already covered elimination method. Here in this corner, you can find the video link for the same. Now, in this video, I am covering how to solve linear equations by substitution method. So let's proceed with this method. Here I have taken this example. Let's solve this linear equation by substitution method. Okay. 8x plus 3y equal to 11. This is first equation. 3x minus y equal to 2 is second equation. Okay. In substitution method, we have to find value of one variable in the terms of other variable. Means value of x variable in the terms of y or value of y in the terms of x. Choice is yours. Either you can choose this or this. Finally, you will get the same answer. But I always prefer to go with the variable having lowest coefficient. Here coefficients are 8, 3, 3 and 1. So this is lowest one. So I go with this. Substituting y value in the terms of x. Okay. Now let's find y value in the terms of x from second equation. So for that I am sending y on RHS and 2 on LHS. So 3x minus 2 is equals to y. Okay. Now what is the value of y? 3x minus 2. We got value of y in the terms of x from second equation. Now substitute this y value in first equation. Okay. Don't substitute again in second equation. Substitute in y 1. So first equation will give 8x plus 3y. Instead of y, we are substituting this value 3x minus 2. Fine. Is equals to 11. Indirectly, we have eliminated y term. Here only one variable is there. Let's solve this and find the value of x. Okay. This is 8x plus 9x minus 6 is equals to 11. This is 17x is equals to 11 plus 6, 17. X is equals to 1. Fine. Now, let's find y value. Substitute x equal to 1 here and find y. So, y is equals to 3x means 3 into 1, that is 3 minus 2. So, what is the value of y? 1. This is the solution. X equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 for these linear equations. Okay. Here I am solving these equations again by substituting x variable value in the terms of y. Okay. Now let's find x value from equation 1. Here 8x I am keeping it on LHS and sending rest of the things on RHS. So it is 8x is equals to 11 minus 3y. Fine. What is the value of x here? X is equals to 11 minus 3y divided by 8. This x value we got from equation 1. Now substitute this x in equation 2. Okay. Don't substitute this again in first equation. Now equation 2 becomes 3 into x. 3 into this term. Fine. 3 into 11 minus 3y by 8 minus y equal to 2. Now let's solve this. Here we have eliminated x term, only y variable is there. Okay. Now this multiplication is 33 minus 9y. Here I am sending 8 on this side. So it will be minus 8 is equals to 16. So this is minus 17. 33 on that side means minus 17. 16 minus 33. Okay. This is y. So what is the value of y? Y is equals to 1. Fine. Now let's put this value here and find the value of x. So what is the value of x? 11 minus 3 into 1, that is 3 divided by 8. Numerator is 8 divided by 8. Means what is the value of x? It's 1. Okay. We got the same answer. X equal to 1, y equal to 1. Here x equal to 1, y equal to 1 for this linear equation. But this calculation is easy. But here this is little difficult than this because here in denominator 8 is there. So always go with the variable having lowest coefficient. Fine. Now let's solve another example. Here example is, in an envelope there are some 5 rupee notes and some 10 rupee notes. Total amount of these notes is 350 rupees. Total amount in an envelope is 350 rupees. Okay. Number of 5 rupee notes are 10 more than number of 10 rupee notes. Then how many 5 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes are there in the envelope, that we have to find here. Okay. For most of the students, this is the main problem, converting words into mathematical expression, decoding English into maths. That is the main problem. But don't worry, we'll solve this together. After this, you may able to solve these type of examples on your own. Okay. Now let's decode this step by step. Now first decode the first sentence. In an envelope, there are some 5 rupee notes and some 10 rupee notes. Number of notes is not given. So let's take variables for that. Say number of 5 rupee notes be x. Okay, here I have introduced one variable. Now again I am introducing one more variable for 10 rupee notes. Number of 10 rupee notes be y. Okay. Now next statement. Let's convert this into mathematical expression. Total amount of these notes is 350 rupees. So there are x number of notes of 5 rupees. So what is the amount for this? 5x, right? And there are y number of notes of 10 rupees. So what is the amount for this? 10y. Total amount in an envelope is 350 rupees. So sum of this amount is 350 rupees. This is the first equation we got. Fine. Now next statement. Number of 5 rupee notes are 10 more than number of 10 rupee notes. Means what? Number of 5 rupee notes, that is x, okay, are 10 more than number of 10 rupees notes. Whatever 10 rupee notes are there, 10 more than this is 5 rupee notes. Okay. So 10 more than this means y plus 10. This is our second equation. Fine. Now what is asked? How many 5 rupees and 10 rupee notes are there? Means we have to find x and y value. Now let's solve these two equations. These are linear equation, and after solving this we will get x and y value. That is the number of 5 rupees and 10 rupee notes. Okay. Now let's solve this by substitution method. Here we don't have to make adjustment. It is already given the value of x in the terms of y. We can directly substitute this value in first equation. Okay. Now what we will get? 5x, 5 into this term, right? Y plus 10 plus 10y is equals to 350. Now let's open this bracket. We will get 5y plus 50 plus 10y is equals to 350. 5y plus 10y, 15y is equals to 350 minus 50, it's 300. So what is the value of y? It's 20, right? Now what is the value of x? Y plus 10, y plus 10. So x is 20 plus 10, that is 30. We got y value and x value. That is what asked in the question, right? So how many 5 rupees notes are there? 5 rupee notes, there are x notes, means there are 30 5 rupees notes, and 10 rupee notes means y. There are 20 10 rupees notes. Okay, understood? Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video and understood the concept.